Hey YouTube, this is Ball Pop and Drop, and I'm giving you a bike check of my DK Kvant. Alright, I bought this last year actually at Brant Cycle. Stickers back here. Alright, so first I'm going to talk to you about some, so I got some Kenda tires, dirt tire at the front. Oh yeah, really like that. Pretty smooth. I usually ride Nelson, if you're wondering. Alright, next I got my Alienation rims. Nice white rims. Pretty good. Yeah. Alright, I've only had a problem with my rim once, and that was because some really fat guy rode my bike. Never making that mistake again. Alright, back tire. Still same thing, Alienation, but as you can see on the sides, silver, nice and greasy, silver. That helps to keep the dirt off. I really love it. It's all nice and smooth, and then the inside's just normal, just like every other one. Same thing, Kenda tires, Alienation. It's really good. I like it. Anyway, my pedals. I'm going to get an upgrade. I'm going to get some bear traps. But right now I just got my DK. Yeah. I haven't upgraded yet. I'm going to be showing you a video of my upgraded because I'm going to get them upgraded soon. My chain system, too. DK runs very smooth. Nice and fast. Pretty smooth bike. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna flip this baby over. Alright. What I got next? Handlebars. DK. I wouldn't suggest them, honestly. No, I wouldn't. Because they scratch really easily. Like, super easily. I could rub against another guy's bike. Gets a few scratches on it. The brakes. I love the brakes. Especially, here, I'll give you a little test here. Really smooth. You can turn if you want, but if you don't, just don't lean into it. Get pretty sudden stop. Alright. Next, my DK seat. I love it. Stitch DK seat. Pivotal. Beautiful. I love it. It's pretty soft. I never usually sit on my seat. I'm always standing up. But yeah. Alright, so my grips. Really good. Nice and smooth. They don't wear out easily. Oh, really grippy. Anyway, onto my stem. Stem's really nice. DK. Nope, I haven't had any problems with that yet. Nothing. I'm probably going to get upgraded. Probably going to get a pink one. Yeah. My headset's pretty good. It's no name, but anyway. It's pretty good. I don't know. My brakes. My brakes are DK. The back brakes. I forgot to tell you about that. It's really nice. As I was saying before, it keeps the dirt off when you clinch the brakes. Yeah. It's really nice. Overall, I'd probably rate it 8 out of 10. The weight is, I'm pretty sure, I think it was 23.5. It's really, really good. Really, really good. Especially for my age, my level. I'm pretty much in between. I'm not the best and I'm not the worst. But yeah. Alright, YouTube. Check out my videos. Go to my channel. I got drums. I got a drum check of my Mapex Birchwood. I got 2 Call of Duty videos of Clutch Clan. That's my clan. Me and 550 Cool Dude / Cool Dude 550. And I've got this that's going on. Anyway, special thanks to Cool Dude 550 for filming this. Cool Dude.
Hey, and to go to my channel, like what he said, 550 Cool Dude, and subscribe. I got some Call of Duty videos up of me, Clutch Virus, on, and subscribe to Clutch. Oh crap, not Clutch Virus, Clutch Insane. Sorry, he's Clutch Virus.
Yeah, I'm Clutch Virus. Subscribe. You rate. Thanks. Bye, YouTube.